I'm Dr. Deepak Chawla, Director, Embryo Advanced Laparoscopic and Fertility Unit of Chawla Nursing Home, Jalandhar. I'm coming up with a very interesting topic for discussion, and that is a healthy sex drive means a healthy you. Means you're going to be healthy only and only if you have a good sexual life. So when we talk about sex, we need to remember it's a very personal matter. Most of the time, never discussed outside the bedroom. Second thing, it is difficult to come out and talk to the doctor about it. And even in case when there are challenges about it, when it's painful, nobody comes forward to talk about it. Most of the time, it's the lady who's suffering. It's painful sex. She's bearing the pain. She's not even communicating it with her husband. It's very essential for her to come forward, talk to her husband about it. And as a couple, they need to come to the doctor and seek help. In most of the situations, whenever there is painful sex, we have an underlying medical cause. The cause can be endometriosis. It can be fibroids. It can be ovarian cyst. It can be any infection in the uterus, or it can be cystitis, or a vault prolapse, or a uterine prolapse. The thing is, only if the patient is evaluated, then treatment can be given. So it's very essential, because nearly 66% of the patients with endometriosis experience some form of sexual dysfunction. They experience painful sex. Sex is supposed to be blissful. Sex is supposed to be energizing. Sex is supposed to be healthy. It's not supposed to be a taboo. It's not about morality. It's all about health. So we need to know the benefits of sex and a good sexual activity. When we talk about sex, then a lot of patients come to us, and what we get to know from them is that they tend to experience something like good sex, for sure. Then there will be other category who will be saying that they are not having any sex at all. You inquire further, they will be saying no sex in the last 1 month, no sex in the last 6 months, no sex in the last 1 year. That may be disastrous for a relationship, because no sex means high buildup of tensions between the couple and an impaired family life. So for this parameter, for a good sexual health, like the way we have to learn, the way if we are going to have doing some cooking at home, we need to look for a recipe and then do some nice cooking. Similarly, for a good sexual life, you need to learn more about sex. If we look at the benefits of sex, they are also multifold. The first and the foremost is it increases the longevity of life. Means you add years to your life. Your lifespan increases. Next thing is your immune system is better. You are creating antibodies within yourself, immunoglobulins, and your immune system works better. When we talk about stress levels come down, and even things like low depression phases go over. They are no more there. You have a sense of well-being. You feel better. When you start your day, you have an upliftment of your mood. Besides that, there are other benefits. You have a good quality of skin, you have a good posture, you feel more confident. For women, as age advances, like when they're approaching the menopause or post-menopause, that's in the age group of 45 to 50 years, it has an increased effect on the vaginal health. With age, there is dryness, irritation, and itchiness. All these things improve with a good sexual life. If we compare a sexual life with other forms of exercise, then it's comparative. If you look at household activity for a woman, other activities like jogging, walking, yoga, or you may be even thinking about other exercises like aerobics. If you're doing an exercise for half an hour, the amount of calories it's going to burn is more or less the same in relation to a sexual activity. So let's not miss upon this, because it's going to burn the same amount of calories, sense of well-being, and a better quality of life, a good overall health. So this is a very important parameter which needs to be worked upon. And if we look at other areas, a good sexual life means a good bonding between the couple. And even if there are small fights, minor fights, it's a good emotional bonding, and all these things are taken care of. So in case of painful sex, reach out to your doctor. Your doctor will always be there to help you and will guide you for the things which are required. For patients with endometriosis or patients with fibroids or ovarian cysts, sometimes the underlying condition is so severe that it requires a good correction with a surgical procedure. And for that, you need to reach out to a laparoscopic specialist. In case you have any queries, you can reach out to us at Chawla Nursing Home and Maternity Hospital, Jalandhar. Myself or our entire team of gynec specialists will be there to guide you, help you through your journey for a better sexual health.